If you're going to do anything, the most simplest thing I think for any survival kit would be just a simple fishing line kit. Here we have a 35mm film canister. I wrapped some duct tape around it just to give you some grippy action, provide a little cushion for the tape. Inside of it I got some hook and sinkers. Yeah, it's one of my old film canisters. I think this is a 4 or 6 pound test around it. I don't want something too heavy. Don't expect to catch something too large. You're stuck out in the middle of the woods, a little berkey trout, something like that. Sinker, hook, and bobber inside of it. 15, 25 yards of line on the outside of it. That's all you need. Might make all the difference between you walking out and you being left behind.